さん、こんにちは。Welcome to my lesson on Hiragana long vowel. In this lesson, we are going to explore Hiragana long vowel. Long vowel is used to stretch a vowel in a word to convey emphasis and meaning. Because each hiragana character in Japanese has the same length, long vowels are pronounced twice as long as a single vowel. Let's see the length of each vowel. A, I, U, E, O. Now, let's move on to explore the long vowel. A, single vowel. So becomes Ah. That's the long vowel. So long vowels are distinct feature of the Japanese language, and it's important to be aware of them when speaking Japanese. With practice, you can develop a natural pronunciation and the rhythm. E becomes E. So U becomes U. E becomes E. O becomes O. Now let's see some examples. We have the word oki, which means big. So pay attention to the stretch O sound in the word. Try say it slowly. Oki. Let's emphasize the O to stretch the vowel. Oki. How about the next one? Kakkoi, which means cool or awesome. So notice the short pause between the ka and ko sounds. This is called a double consonant. We are going to learn in the next lesson. But just look at the W-E, E. So you say kakkoi. Long vowels are not only used for emphasizing meaning but also for expressing emotions and states. When expressing surprise or admiration, we can use the stretch sound "u," like in "u, sugoi." This intensifies the feeling of amazement. So here notice instead of writing "u" twice, using hyphen after the first "u." Especially when you express emotions, you can use a hyphen like this. So let's see another example of long vowel using contracted sound. Kya. Kyuri. Kyo. In Japanese, some words look similar, but when a long vowel comes into a word, then they may become completely different meaning. Let's see some examples. It should be fun. You can see a word obasan on the left side. This means aunt. How about the right side? This is Oba-san. Oba-san. You can see long vowel in a word. This means grandma. So those two sound similar, but have completely different meaning. Let's pronounce one more time. Oba-san. Oba-san. In a long vowel, the second vowel is often influenced by the preceding sound. This is known as voicing assimilation. This occurs when the preceding sound is a voiced consonant. In this example, the second vowel a of oba-san is influenced by the preceding ba and is pronounced as an intermediate sound between a and ba. So let's look at the next example. You see on the left side, oji-san, no long vowel. Oji-san means uncle. But on the right side, there is a long vowel. Oji-san, oji-san, which means grandpa. Let's pronounce one more time. Oji-san. Oji-san. The word oji-san, the second e moves closer to the preceding g, resulting in a sound that is intermediate between e and g. So let's look at another example. On the left side, shujin. Shujin, no long vowel. This means my husband. But how about right side? There's a long vowel. Shujin, shujin, which means prisoner. Let's pronounce one more time. Shujin, shujin. In the word shujin, the second u moves closer to the preceding shu, resulting in a sound that is intermediate between u and shu. See, it should be noted that this influence does not occur in all cases. In hiragana, the second vowel in a long vowel can be influenced by the preceding sound, but occurrence of this phenomenon varies depending on specific words and context. So it's better to memorize each word every time you encounter. Remember, practice is key to mastering a long vowel. I hope you enjoyed.